My name is Beatrice Logba. I'm a teacher in La Antecin RC and a curriculum leader. With the PEN online teacher training, I participated somewhere 2020. The stage one came. We were all introduced to hands-on science, using things in the environment, things we virtually wouldn't think are of use to us, and we are thinking of discarding them. At first, we were thinking with our new curriculum, we were thinking of having videos before we are able to teach, or sometimes we have to go to the head and demand a whole lot of science materials which need to be bought from stores. But with PEN taught us to be innovative enough to use things around us. So when I have my lessons, I then try to think through whether if it were to be PEN, if this particular topic was placed before PEN, what will PEN be doing? PEN will be looking at the locally available material, any simple material around to make their teaching so easy. So with the new basic school curriculum, we have been advised to organize a PLC. It's a continual learning process of teachers to abreast themselves with the curriculum, the new curriculum that has come. So we normally meet every Wednesday. We meet teachers every Wednesday, and then we go through the various subjects that they find so difficult to treat. So in the process of our PLC, I then introduce the new things I've learned from PEN education to them, and they find it so useful. I have one teacher who sits in my class, and after observing what I've been doing with our science box, we realized that PEN taught us how to keep a science box. So right from the beginning of the term, we go through our topics in our curriculum, and whatever we need to teach that particular subject, we get them on board before the week comes. The very week we are supposed to teach those subjects. So looking at that, she derived a particular inspiration that if science could be this easy, having a box, then language can also be easy throughout the term, having a library of it. So they have the language library where they've produced their own language dictionaries. With my positioning the school, organizing teachers, making it so lively, and then taking shots of children who get so much excited with the hands-on science, and then pasting it at different times and different parts of the school caused the headmistress to be so much attached to pen too, and she actually commended pen by saying that if pen could cause children at break to come to the notice board trying to look for their faces on the notice board and doing something extra better to get their face on the notice board, then it's really a good thing, and she feels other subjects should also adopt process or approach for work to be easy for them. I will encourage every teacher. When you make your lessons practical, it makes your work easy, and then be assured of not wasting too much time in teaching your science lessons. So when these kind of educations come to your doorstep, accept it with all joy and be part of it. Be serious with it, and it will help. It will go a long way to help you as a teacher, the children, and the nation as a whole.